we've got the farm kids here. We're showing you some special Nature Valentine's Day things you can make with your kids at home. So we are going to be showing you our brand new Farm to Table Kids seed ball kit that we're going to be releasing is special for Valentine's Day. So inside the kit is Farm to Table Kids seed ball soil. This is actually a mix of clay and peat moss. Joey, you go ahead and put that in the bowl. While he's doing that, we'll also show you there's a tin of wildflower seeds in here. These are organic wildflower seeds, and those are going to be going into the seed ball mix. If I can open it. There we go. So those are wildflower seeds. We also have a packet of stamps. And the stamps are so you can decorate little baggies for Valentine's Day. So at the end, you'll have little baggies for Valentine's Day with a seed ball in it, and you can give these to your classmates or friends for Valentine's Day instead of paper cards. So, Joey, cool mixture, huh? All right, now you're gonna take a half cup of water and put it in that mix.
Okay, so...
Yep, that's a half cup right there. Keep a little out, like that's good. Start mixing. Cool.
You can use a spoon, but I just prefer to use my hands.
Okay, cool. As farm boys do. So this is a really, really fun job to do for kids that like to get their hands dirty.
It's like a bunch of dung.
Okay. And now, as the soil starts to come together, just scrape it off your fingers like that. As it starts to come together, we're gonna make it really interesting for you, Joe, and add some of the seeds. You ready? Get in there, buddy. Make some magic happen. Make some garden magic happen. So, because of the special mixture of this soil medium we're using, it's a mixture of clay and peat moss. The seeds will not germinate in this mix, so what you're going to do is the seeds are getting combined with the soil right now. We are now, all three of us, are going to start making seed balls. We're gonna start rolling them into balls. And then, after they dry, you can give these to friends, and after the snow melts and in the spring, you can toss these out into your garden or into your grass, and wildflowers will grow. It's awesome. So it's such a cool gift to give to friends and teachers. Joey, let's give everybody a chance to make some balls. Yay! So, as you guys start wrapping, I just want to show you, there are, in each of these kits, there are 20 pouches, and you can use the stamps in the kits to decorate them to give to your classmates. Isn't that going to be fun? Mm-hmm. And you can even get markers and crayons and write people's names on them too. So this mix makes 24 1-inch balls. So exactly.
How many are we going to make each?
Make about,
I'll make 8.
This size is about 1 inch, okay?
Okay.
So this side?
Exactly, yes. And then what you can do too, if you want to, if you have like bigger stamps at home or if you want to use these ones, you can also stamp them.
So each of us could make
and make a decoration. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And then you can put it right, and look at that one, it has a little heart on it. Isn't that cute?
Can I see?
Mm-hmm, like that.
Aww.
And you can decorate it and put it into your baggie. And then Autumn, can you show how we can decorate some bags?
So,
Cool.
you can use, it comes with these ink pads, and I used these already, so they're kind of messy, but you can stamp them onto your bags.
Can I stamp them?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'm trying to say farmer stuff.
Yeah, here you go. Awesome. Ooh, you got the ladybug one.
What is it? Just use the ladybug.
Here you go.
Look at the heart.
Cool.
I get the heart.
How's that?
Good heart. Great.
And you can put it right in there. Oh, I love this Valentine's Day gift. It's so cute. That's how you make seed balls. I hope that you love this craft. I hope it lets you get your hands dirty during these cold, gray months of winter. And it's an awesome gift to give to friends because come spring, they can toss them outside, and when their flowers grow, they'll think of you. 1, 2, 3, happy Valentine's!